Hey everyone, welcome back to Swift Shift, where we break down the cars that shaped automotive history and the ones defining our roads today. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our deep dives into the world of wheels. Today, we're taking you back to 1967 with an icon that needs no introduction but deserves all the appreciation in the world, the Volkswagen Beetle. The 1967 Beetle represents something truly special in automotive history. This was the year VW refined nearly 2 decades of engineering evolution into what many considered the sweet spot of classic Beetle ownership. Under that distinctive curved hood at the rear, you'll find a 1.5-liter flat-4 engine producing a modest 53 horsepower. Now, before you scoff at those numbers, remember this car weighs barely 1,700 pounds. That air-cooled engine, a masterpiece of simplicity, doesn't need a radiator, no coolant, no water pump to fail on you. It's engineering brilliance through subtraction, and it means fewer things can go wrong. The driving experience is unlike anything modern. You've got a 4-speed manual transmission with a satisfying mechanical precision that connects you to every gear change. 0 to 60 happens in about 20 seconds, which sounds glacial today, but this car was never about straight-line speed. It was about affordable, reliable transportation that could tackle any road condition. That rear-engine, rear-wheel drive layout gives you surprising traction in snow and rain, with the engine weight planted right over the driving wheels. Let's talk about that shape, because the Beetle's design is genuinely timeless. Those rounded fenders, the split rear window, until this year when VW introduced the larger single-pane glass, the chrome bumpers and trim catching sunlight just right. Every curve serves a purpose, born from aerodynamic testing in the 30s and 40s. The interior is wonderfully Spartan, yet functional, with a simple dashboard, that iconic thin steering wheel, and enough room for 4 adults despite the compact footprint. The front trunk, or frunk as we'd call it today, offers surprising cargo space, perfect for groceries or weekend bags. What made the 67 Beetle revolutionary was its democratization of car ownership. This wasn't a luxury item, it was transportation for the people, brilliantly marketed and engineered to be maintainable by average owners with basic tools. The build quality was exceptional for the era, with thick steel panels and a robustness that's evident in how many survivors we still see on roads today. Fuel economy hovered around 30 miles per gallon, remarkable for the 60s, and still respectable now. The Beetle's air-cooled engine makes that distinctive sound, a mechanical symphony that's unmistakable. It's characterful, honest, and refreshingly analog in our increasingly digital automotive landscape. Values have been climbing steadily as enthusiasts recognize the 67 as a pivotal year, offering upgraded features while maintaining classic aesthetics. If this trip down memory lane sparked your interest in automotive history, smash that like button, drop a comment telling us which classic car we should feature next, and subscribe to Swift Shift for more content every week. Until next time, keep shifting forward.